Hey guys, it's Keith from Cool Sheds. Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for checking out this video. This is a look at our, we call it the big shed. Some people call it a multi-modular. Other people call it a double wide. So whatever you want to call it, it's our big shed. This one is 16 wide by 24 long. And so it's two boxes. There's box one, and then you can kind of see where those screws are. That's the seam of where the two come together. So this one is made with LP Smart Side. It's got a nice little eave overhang on it. It's got the oversized windows. Those are 3x3 windows. And then the 8-foot wide roll-up door. So as we look inside, this is obviously something we use here at our yard. But we've built some little shelves and hangers for our extra sidings and stuff like that. But when you see how these buildings are put together, that's called a marriage line. It's the same as a modular house or mobile home, the way it's put together. But that is a seriously engineered truss. You can see the size of the truss plates and then all the lag bolts that we have bolting it together. That's all across the top, all the way down both sides, and all along underneath this floor. That floor is not there when we put it together, so we lag them all together, shoot hurricane anchors underneath, and then we put that flooring in on the marriage line. You can see too how we have these steel pieces here to help the building stay square, but they're cut in so it stays flush. So if you wanted to put walls up and make this into a guest house, office, or whatever, it's very simple. Those reinforcements don't get in the way. So anyway, that is a look at our double wide, and we can build these up to 24 feet wide and as deep as you want to go, because we can just keep putting more and more boxes. So we've done a few of them that were 24 by 36, and I've seen a couple of them that were 24 by 60. So anyway, excuse the clutter in here. This is one of our storage maintenance buildings, but to look, I also really like the trusses, how they did like a T with the 2x4s just to make it stronger. So that is a look at our double wide. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. Visit the website for more information, coolsheds.com. Thanks a lot.